Exceptional new unit, so everything is clean and new. Though the TV is not working, the staff is friendly, so there's no issue. Exceptional. Our stay at the Woodsbury Deluxe suite was fantastic. I highly recommend this property for anyone looking for a wonderful stay. Nice, very comfortable to stay. Great location and easy to get food. Best apartment, very clean. Must check in 3 p.m. Overall best experience. Exceptional, nice place to stay. Exceptional, nice place to stay. Peaceful place with good city plus sea view. The sea view is quite far but visible and nice place to stay. Owner responsive with details how to check in etc. The apartment has 2 rooms. Hall and bedroom had air-conned, small kitchen area. Quite big bathroom. Surrounding not much place to eat but right beside apartment was a Consave and opposite road got Speed Mart. Overall a comfortable experience and suitable for family of 8. Excellent place and close to several spots. Host is amazing and we thoroughly enjoyed the place. We'll come back again and I would recommend to anyone. Best place to stay in Butterworth. The condo is near Penang Central, beside a supermarket and has food places nearby. The condo is spacious enough and very clean. The facilities like swimming and gym are first class. Thanks Michael being so friendly by replaying and answer our questions in minutes. Best location with best price, nice location, at the best price, clean environment, best facilities. Clean, sweet house, good. Excellent stay spot in Penang, really good living spaces, lots of parking and easy check-in system. The place is really near to Penang Bridge. Nice place to stay, easy to check in and check out. 2-bedroom with 2 big bathroom. Spacious living room with balcony. We'll come back again next time. Worth to stay. Simple and nice, facilities are all complete, cleanliness and safety environment. Good choice, nice, clean, recommended for 6-person with food and shopping very near.